video. I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I want to talk about making linear regression tables, especially how do you make them in Word. So as in previous videos, I'm going to suggest here at the very beginning that you never build a table in any other program except for Word. It's much easier. It's already going to be formatted properly in terms of whatever your Office of Graduate Studies wants. And moving it around in the document is going to be much easier. So always build your tables in Word. As I've already also mentioned in other videos on making tables, what you want to do before you build that table is have a sketchbook and sketch what you think it's going to look like first. So once you've done that, it becomes much easier. You identify the number of rows you need. You identify the number of columns that you need. Now, in the table that I've presented here as an example, I've included B in standard error. And as I have said in other videos on linear regression tables, I typically suggest to people, don't put in B in standard error. Just put in beta, T, and significance. That way, you can add other information much easier. If you wanted to add N, if you wanted to add the mean and the standard deviation, things of that nature. In other words, harkening back to another video, if you want to sort of create that combined ANOVA regression table by using standardized weights, it's much easier to do that. It's much easier to discuss it. It takes less space. Having said that, how do I build this table? Well, once I know how many rows I'm going to need, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and how many columns I'm going to need, and in a standard regression table, which is what this is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I know all I have to do is come to insert, and that is a 6 by 6 table. I then want to come to home, get rid of all my borders, because I'll be putting those in, I will be putting those in last. Come to the line spacing options. I want single space, 6 points up, before, and 6 points after. And as I've also said in other videos, it's singular. It's the variable. It's not the variables, which is something that a lot of students will do. They'll put variables. No. Remember, we read from left to right. We don't read top down. It's top down, yes, but then left to right. So variable population, I'm going to read it. Variable larceny, I'm going to read it. I don't read all of them simultaneously because beta, standard error, T, significant, all of these are numbers. These are going to be centered. And then, because this is language, it's going to be simply left justified. Once you've done that, you can put that information in there. More importantly, you've created a template. Every linear regression table that you build from this point forward should begin by looking like this. Now, if you choose to modify it for editorial reasons or because of the standards of practice in your field, we can do that. But I typically suggest people start with something like this so that you can always go back to it and bring in that information, because invariably what happens if you build the shorter version of the table, there's going to be a professor on your committee who's going to want to see all of the numbers. It's just the nature of the beast. I hope this video has answered some of your questions. I hope it's raised some questions. If it has, we'd love to hear them. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day.